The promised Messiah, on whom be peace, said this is also an age for spiritual warfare. War is on with Satan, who is attacking the fortress of Islam with all his weaponry and scheming and wants to defeat Islam. However, God Almighty has established this movement to forever defeat Satan in his last war. Blessed are those who recognize it. Soon the time will come when God Almighty will illuminate the truth of this movement brighter than the sun. That will be a time when accepting faith will not be a cause of spiritual reward. Right now, whoever accepts me has to fight a grand fight with his inner self. He will see that at times he will have to leave his family and efforts will be made to obstruct his worldly business, and he will be verbally abused. He will put up with cursing but will be rewarded by God Almighty for all these things. But when the other era will come and the world will be as forcefully inclined to this movement as water falls from a high mount, and when no denier would be found, what will be the worth of affirmation at such a time? Accepting at such a time will not be a courageous act. Hazrat Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, accepted the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be on him, and gave up the idea of being a chief of Mecca, but God Almighty granted him a great kingdom. Hazrat Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, also adopted humility and accepted the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be on him, with a what will be attitude, and God Almighty did not withhold any part of reward due to him. If man makes even the slightest of efforts for God, he does not leave this world unless he is rewarded. The condition is to make effort. Hadith relates that when man walks towards God, God runs to him. Faith is believing in something that is unseen. A person who spots the crescent moon is considered eagle-eyed, but a person who shouts at spotting a full moon is considered crazy. An extract from the Friday sermon delivered by the head of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, may Allah be his helper, on May 6, 2016.
गुज़रे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है। गुज़रे हुए 100 साल की तारीख गवाह है, साए की तरह साया फिगन हम पे खुदा है।